on, we're going to do the calculations and interpretations of break-even point. So I have explained the term break-even point. So we have 4.2.1, which says calculate the break-even point achieved by ZZ. So the formula for break-even point says total fixed costs here, total fixed costs divided by the selling price per unit minus variable costs per unit. But if we look like through our information here, we don't have the total fixed costs given. We are only given the fixed costs per unit. The fixed cost per unit is equal to 94.2 rands. So we have to find our total fixed cost. So to find our total fixed cost, we have to multiply our like fixed cost per unit multiplied by the number of units produced and sold. So we produced 22,000 units. So we are going to take like 19,94,2 multiplied by 22,000. We will get the total fixed cost per unit. Fixed cost per total fixed cost. So this is our answer, 2,072,400. Then to find the selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit, we have to check our selling price per unit is sitting at 360 rands. This is our selling price per unit, sorry. And we have our our variable cost per unit sitting at 246.6. So the difference between 360 and 246.6 is 113.4. So to calculate our final answer, which is our break-even point, we have to take our total fixed cost divided by 113.4. So I took 2 million and divided by 113.4. I got our break-even as 18,275. This is our break-even point. This is how we calculate our break-even point. Total fixed costs divided by selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. It's important to know how to calculate the total fixed costs if not given. Then the interpretations of break-even point, which is like 4.2.2, should ZZ be satisfied with the level of production and break-even point for 2024? This is very, very important for 2024. It means we have to look for 2024 only. You mustn't mention 2023. Quote figures to explain your answer. They said satisfied with the level of production. So let's check the level of production. So the level of production is 22,000, and the level of production for 2022, not 2024, increased from 20,000 to 22,000. If the level of production and units sold like increases, it means it's a good thing. So it increased by 2,000. It increased from 20,000 to 22,000. So she should be satisfied with the level of production because of the increase in the units produced and sold. So we are done with the level of production. So let's calculate the break-even point. Let's touch on the break-even point for 2024. So the break-even point was 18,275, and they produced 22,000 units. So let's calculate here. So remember the break-even point, it is the number of units the business needs to make in order to start making a profit. It means after 18,275, any unit that we make, it will be our profit. So 22,000, we made 22,000 minus our break-even point is equal to, let's calculate. So the answer is 3725. So it means we will make profit of 3725 units. So we produced more than our break-even point. So obviously our break-even point is 18 and our output is 22,000. So this is good because we produced more than our break-even point by this. So if we take like our selling price multiplied by this, we'll get our profit. So we made extra units of like 3,725. So that's good. So the answer is yes, and I've explained why.